Good morning, everyone. Our volume 1 is completed. Now, all of you take out your volume 2 course book, page number 4. The chapter name is measurement. What is the chapter? It's a measurement. All of you once look at your course book, page number 4. What is this? They mentioned here length. Look at the picture given here. The boy's name is Wayne. What is he doing? Wayne is measuring the length of a window with his hand span. This is called hand span. We count like this. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4 hand span. From here to here, how many hand spans are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many hand spans are there? 4 hand spans. 4 hand spans. We will count like this. 1, 2, 3. This type of measurement is called a hand span. Hand spans. Now see, Venus' father who was observing him asked what is the length of the window. Venus said 10 hand spans. He said the 10 hand spans. 10 hand spans. Whose hand is that? Venus' hand. Now see, 10th hand that Venus' father then measured the length of the window using his hand and told him, see, I measured it now, but the length of window is 6 hand spans. Venus' father will count that measurement. And when he measured, he is having 6 hand spans. 6 hand spans. Now Venu was surprised. He asked, how is it possible, Dad? Have you seen me measured it and it is 10 hand spans? Venu then asked his elder sister to measure the window. To measure the same window they are measuring. Then his sister's span is Venu's sister. 8 hand spans. 8 hand spans. Venus father then explained to them that the hand span is different from different people. When I count this, it is having 4 hand spans. When you will count for this meter, for this length, maybe it is a 7 hand spans or 8 hand spans. This is different from one people to another people. This will be different for one people to another people. This is called a hand span. From this to this, from this side to this side is called a hand span or a span. Span. It differs from person to person. Then Mary's father asked him, can you tell me whose hand will be the biggest among us? Venu immediately said, yours, Dad. Venu's father asked him, whose hand having a big span? He said, Venu's father. Why? Because they are having 10 hand spans and her father is counted for 6 and sister counted for 8. Venu's father nodded his head in agreement. Then he asked Venu, whose hand span will be the smallest among the 3 of us? Venu shyly agreed his span will be the smallest one. It was the smallest hand span. Her father smiled and continued. Some people use their foot to take a measurements, especially when measuring objects on the floor such as carpets. People also use some arm spans to measure longer objects like a rope. When we count a rope like this, we will count the ropes like this by using our hands. All of you take when teachers say take your hand distance. 1 hand distance means this. 2 hand distance means this. You will measure ropes also like this. How much the TV is big means we will say like this. This much big is my TV, and this length is our bench, and this type of length is there in our place. And like carpets also some people count by their foots. By their foot. The Venu asked, Dad, I have seen a carpenter the other day using a ruler to measure the length of a window. Why didn't you use hand or a foot like us? Venu's dad said, a carpenter measures a window in centimeters or inches or a feet. This is the reason why he uses a ruler or a tape. Measuring objects give accurate measurements. Accurate measurements means perfect measurements they will give. When we use a scale for this length, by using a tape or a scale, it gives us accurate measurements for the object. It gives us accurate measurements for these objects. We can use a scale or a tape, long scale, or again a rulers are also there. We can use anything to measure the distances or the places on any object or any objects. The measurements are different when you use body parts because the size of the body parts differ from person to person. They are non-standard measures. These are non-standard measurements. When I counted from this place to that this length to that length, it is I'm having four handstands. When you count, it may be changed. It may be changes. But when I use a tape, it is 82 centimeters. When you will count, it is also 82 centimeters only. But here the handspan will be changes. These are called what standards? Non-standard measurements. These are non-standard. Non-standard measurements. Well, if you turn the page, let's see the page number 6. Now pick up and measure your course book with it. Let your friends also measure the same book with the same eraser. What did you notice? The length of the book is same for all of you. It is the same because of all of you. You should have the same tool to measure the length of one single object. One single object. So to measure the length without or any difference, we need to use some tools that are marked with standard units of measurement. With standard unit of measurements. Examples are stools with the standard units are ruler, measuring tape. A ruler and a measuring tape are used to measure lengths in centimeters and inches. Then centimeters and inches. In a short scale, all of you want to see here. What is this? It's a long scale. What is this? It's a short scale I'm using here. What is mentioned here? It is about a centimeters. It is about centimeters. It is a centimeter scale. It is a centimeter scale. How many centimeters are there in this scale? There are 15 centimeters in this scale. How many centimeters? In a short scale, it is having 15 centimeters and a long scale having 30 centimeters and a long scale having 30 centimeters. Now all of you see what is this? It's a tape and this side is a centimeter from 1 centimeter to here until here 150 centimeters up to 150 centimeters. How many centimeters are there in this tape? There are 150 centimeters or 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Now see how many inches are there here. This side of the tape is called a inches. This is the inch side. This is the inch side of the tape and this is the centimeter side. See here, this is the inch side. From 1 to there are 60 inches. How many inches are there here? 60 inches. See, 60 inches. Tape is having centimeter side and an inch side. And also for this short scale also it is having inch side. How many inches are there in the short scale? See all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many inches are there here? 6 inches are there. A tailor measures the cloth using his measuring tape which is marked in centimeters and meters. A measure uses a measuring tape to measure the length of a wall or the height of a pillar in meters. In meters. When we went to a tailor, he uses his tape and he will take the measurements of our body to stitch, how to stitch the clothes. And carpenters or building contractors also use a tapes, but they use a meters. And the tailor uses centimeters and meters he uses. Thus we measure smaller length in centimeters and bigger length in meters. Small length is using centimeters. Small length means centimeters. See here. Small length. It is centimeters. Centimeters. Here we have to write as a cm. And next one, bigger lengths. Bigger lengths. We will write as a meters. Bigger length as meters. Or yeah. Next one, very large lengths such as the distance between two states or two cities, we will call as kilometers. For example, when anyone asks you about from Vijayawada to Nellore, how much distance it will be? You will say in centimeters or meters. You will say in kilometers. We will say in kilometers. Distance are measured in kilometers. Distance are measured in kilometers. How many kilometers are there? From your school to home house is nearly 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers of distance. Kilometers is a very large unit of length. It is bigger than a meter. Meter and kilometer and big one. Bigger length is a meters, and the distance from one place to another place or distance from city to another city is kilometers. We will count as a lengths in a kilometers. Now, what we see the next page, page number 7. For example, the distance between the cities of Hyderabad and Chennai is approximately 630 kilometers. Very small lengths, such as length of a dice, will be measured in millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit of measurement of length. This is the biggest measurement in length. Biggest measurement in length. Biggest measurement in length is distance. And the smallest is millimeter. And the smallest is millimeter. mm. Millimeter means millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit of measurement. Unit of measurement of length. Now see the relation between the units. Relation between the units. See here. Biggest length of measurement of length is kilometers, and smallest is millimeters. Smallest is millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. How many millimeters? 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. 1 meter. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 meter means 100 centimeters. 1 meter means we can write as 1000 millimeters. 1000 millimeters. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. 1000 meters. 1 centimeter means 10 millimeters. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Or 1 meter means 1000 millimeters. We can write 1000 millimeters or 100 centimeters. 1 meter means 100 centimeters or 1000 millimeters. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Now all of you take out your maths workbook. All of you take out your volume 2 workbook, page number 4. See the first one. See the first one. What is this? We already told in the class. This is an arm span. What is this? Arm span. So first one is arm span. Now next one. This is called hand span. What is this? Hand span. Last one. What is the last one? It's a cubit. From flower shop, they will ask you how many cubits do you want. We will say like a 1 cubit, 2 cubit. They will, I will say. What will be the approximate length of a pencil? Approximate length of a pencil is 2 handspans. 2 handspans. 2 handspans. Next one, or option A here. Option A. Length of this boy. See how many handspans they used here. Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 handspans. So here option B. Option B. You have to write there like 5 handspans. 5 handspans. And next one, how many pencils wide is the table? How many pencils they used there? 5 pencils. So option here B. And the last one is, how many jump clips long is the pencil? How many clips are there used here? 5 clips. So option B. What is the answer? Option B. Now if you see the next space, the length of this carpet is how many feet they used there? 4 feet. How many? 4. For the first one, 4. The length of the roof is dash arm spans. How many arm spans are they used? 1, 2, 3. 3 arm spans are there. So 3. And the next one is, the length of the cloth is dash cubits. How many cubits they use? 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 4 cubits they used. Your math workbook is approximately how many handspans long? Handspan means we have to use like this. How many handspans? 1 and 2. 2 handspans. 2 handspans. Now the next one. Your classroom is approximately how many foot spans long? 15. How many? 15. The unit used to measure the length of the trouser in meters. We will measure the clothes in meters. So meters. Unit wall is used to measure the length of a wall is. It is also in the meters. It is also used in meters. And the last one is the unit used to measure the distance between two towns or two places. Anything we will use kilometers. What we will use? Kilometers. And today's home task is activity book page 4 and 5. We can continue in the next class.